Welcome, my name is Odile Faludi. I'm a starting customer conversation specialist. Today is about realising a dream for you to learn online the Kickstarting Client Conversations program. I've been doing this for years and years face to face, and so many people have said to me, you've got to teach the world what you do. And here I am today. I'm very excited to show you how you too can start better customer conversations. The truth is, 88% of executive buyers, they don't want a presentation, they want a conversation. So what's the greatest constraint of any business? It's getting new business, isn't it? Relying upon your existing customer base, it's not going to build your business. You need to throw your net so much wider. It's been proven the quickest, the most efficient way of increasing your business network is by picking up your secret weapon. Do you know what that is? Yes, you do. It's your phone. You're so busy looking at the apps, glaring at the screen, but you're not using the phone for what it was designed for. It's designed for speaking to another human being. Yeah, conversation. So let me ask you quickly 3 questions. 1, do you have the self-belief to pick up the phone and start a conversation right now with someone you want to do business with? 2, do you have the dialogue? Do you know how to start the conversation? And 3, do you have the ability to fill your calendar with so many appointments that it's going to lead to more business? If you answered any of those questions no, you need to jump on my website now and do the online course. It's going to change your life. It's going to change your business. And I'm so excited to share all my knowledge with you. It's taken me 13 years to learn, and you're going to get it on a silver platter. So what are you waiting for? Get on the website and let's get you going.